What a shame. Those who used to call themselves the most educated nation and talk about the law, how are they breaking the law today? My question is to those who are just enjoying the fact that an Indian woman was caught shoplifting. It is wrong to give the impression that all Indians are thieves. Committing crime is a personal act of a human being, which happens for many reasons. One of these reasons is human greed. And no crime is committed because of being connected to a religion or nation. Therefore, it is also inappropriate to view crime through the lens of prejudice. The punishments for crime are well defined in every society and should be dealt with accordingly. That is, if that woman had shoplifted, the police should have arrested her and taken whatever legal action was necessary, but they did a very immoral thing and made a video of it which went viral. Now she can't work or live for the rest of her life. Where you give importance to consent, you made a video of a woman. On the one hand, you talk about women's rights, and on the other hand, women are humiliated in this way in your country. I am not justifying her crime, nor am I saying that she should not be punished for her crime, but rather I am highlighting the injustice and humiliation she suffered. And all this exposes the dark side that the American system hides from the world, while on the other hand it teaches the world a lesson in morality. Could this action of yours ever have been against an American? Wasn't it just because she was Asian? I am not blaming American citizens, but the real culprit is their system. Americans are also very right-wing, which is why they seem to us to be in favor of Palestine.